Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a kind of Terrifier makeup look. So if you guys haven't seen the movie The Terrifier, it's just a movie on Netflix, and in there's like Art the Clown or whatever his name is. So yeah, I'm gonna do some like makeup kind of inspired by that. It's not gonna be exact, but you know, something kind of similar. If you haven't seen the movie, I can't remember what I thought, like it was alright. But yeah, I want to do the makeup for it. So I've blocked out my eyebrows, as you can probably tell. And the first thing that I'm going to do today is take the Maroon Clown White and just start putting this all over my face. I can't remember if this is how it felt last time I used it or if it's dried up, because this is thick. This is a lot more opaque than like face paint. If you try and put white face paint on, it's just, I'm sure you guys can imagine, it's just not opaque enough. So yeah, Clown White is the best way to go. But oh my god, it's thick, like so thick. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover my face. It's hot in here as well. I don't even have a candle lit because it's that hot, you know. I love summer, but it makes me sad because I'm such a, I don't know, I like all the seasons, but I think winter and autumn, they just have my heart, like, anyway, I'm back to work tomorrow, so hopefully none of these stones, kind of looks like a clay mask, hey? I'm gonna get it like as close to my eyes as possible. I have to go around them in black anyway, so it doesn't matter if there's a few little... Okay. Honestly, this in itself could be a Halloween look, because this is scary. Honestly, I'm kind of scaring myself. Right, I'm gonna take a sponge and like try and kind of almost like spread it out, I guess. My camera does not want to recognize that I'm a person right now. Yeah, I'm just kind of going to even it out. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the, what's it called, the RCMA powder, and I'm going to use that to set this. I'm using this one because it's white and it's called like the no color powder. This stuff takes forever to set just because it is so thick, like it kind of eats the powder up, you know. So I'm probably going to be going over this like a good 20 times. The hardest thing about the Halloween looks is getting my camera to focus on me, honestly. Okay, no, see, it's still not set. See, I told you. It takes a lot. I just need to like cake my face in the powder. Getting close. There's just like a few little spots that are like still sticky. I want to do a TikTok because I think I'm getting close. Honestly, I'm gonna need a vacuum out here to get like all of this powder off my floor. Okay, surely that's right now. It's just gonna have to do. Guys, there is so much powder here. So, next we have to draw his eyebrows. So I am going to get out my Maroon palette. And I'm just going to take the black. And he has like just these two little like McDonald's eyebrows. So they're up quite high as well, I feel like. And they literally just look like that. And then he has like this kind of thing. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. So what I'm doing now is I'm just tracing or just like colouring these bits in. I feel like this one will be like pretty simple, like there's not a whole lot to it. Much like the other ones, I feel like it's just a bit tedious, you know? I'm gonna have to get some black eyeshadow just to get under my eye, but that's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna set this with some black eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take the James Charles and Morphe palette and just put some black eyeshadow and just set it. And also get it close to like my lash, like under my eye, because that's the only part I couldn't get. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bakery for my mum and then I'll be back. I didn't have to go to the bakery because my sister didn't answer the phone. So I'm just gonna do the other side now. I'm gonna do the exact same thing, I'm just gonna speed it up. Okay, so I've got the eyes done now, I'm just gonna see what's next. He has like this really big kind of like mouth, but it's like super overlined. And he also has like this one black spot on the nose, so I guess we'll do those two things now. It's literally just like that. I feel like it kind of looks like him now, you know? Oh my god, I shake so bad, I don't know why. Okay. It's like instead of following his lips, it's like a big circle. But I don't want to do that. Because I feel like people on Instagram will be like, go for your lips. Anyway, we'll see how this looks and then can make it bigger if need be. Looks like him, I feel like that's good. Alright, I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll come back and we can do like the fake blood and everything and make this look come together. Okay, so this is where we're at now. And yeah, he has a lot of blood on his face, so that's my next part. He also has like some gloves on. I have plastic gloves, but I don't know if I... Anyway, let's do this. I feel like it's just kind of like that, like blood splatter, you know? Okay. He has blood in his mouth. I don't know if this is meant to go in your mouth, but I feel like I need to put some in. Okay, anyway. First I'm gonna put some more blood on my face. Just like some dollops, I guess. Like kind of more like chunky a bit. Shit. Okay. Damn it, I shouldn't have worn this top. Well, I guess the blood splatter kind of adds to it, so... Oh my god, I'm dripping so much. Oops. Anyway. Okay, so he has it in his mouth. I don't want to do this. I don't know if these are safe, but what are you gonna do? You know? Okay. This is the finished look. I cannot talk properly because of the blood in my mouth. Oh my god, it makes me kind of want to vom. Yuck. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.